Hey, Miles here, milesbecker.com. This video is going to show you my exact Facebook ads funnel for 2019 so you can model my exact ad funnel. But first, we're going to jump into my ads manager so you can see exactly what this funnel did in 2018. You're going to get to look through all of my numbers from my Facebook advertising, because if you're thinking about running a new funnel or testing a new funnel on Facebook ads, you should probably know how well it did for that individual. So I want to be fully transparent and show you exactly what that did for me. Before we jump on the computer, I want to know, are you currently consistently running Facebook ads? Day in and day out, month in and month out, are you running ads? If so, put a yes in the comments below. If you're not, if you've been starting and stopping, or you just haven't started yet, give me a no in the comments below, because I want to make more great Facebook advertising videos for you. I just need to know where you're at. And while you're on your way down there, give me a thumbs up on the video and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's jump onto the computer. So I'm here inside of my advertising dashboard. You can see January 1st, 2018 through December 31st is the date set that I have set up. Now we're just going to go along the bottom column here, bottom row, and you can see $42,141 in ad spend, about 14 cents a click on average. So 54,965 leads came in, about 77 cents per lead. So then my customer, I changed up my tracking a little bit with the different pixels. So I've got 163 OTO sales on one pixel here, and I've got 504 other sales over here. I got 4 sales there. I actually have a few others that I'm not actually tracking, but that's close enough for us for this kind of review here today. But that's all raw data, right? And what do you do with raw data? Well, we like to crunch it. We need to analyze it to see exactly what happened. Specifically, how much money came out of my pocket that didn't come back to my pocket throughout the year. So we had $42,000 in ad spend. So that's what I invested. Then it generated 54,965 leads, average of about 77 cents per lead. 667 customers, which means I had about a 1.2% conversion rate. Now my average cost per customer, here's the important metric. This is the KPI, key performance indicator, that matters. My average cost per customer was $63.17. The front end customer value, I use SamCart, which I love that cart for running paid ads to, milesbecker.com/SamCart. They show me what my average customer value is. When I zoom out to all last year, that number was $55.40. When I focus on the second half of last year, it was $61.26. So at the second half of last year, I brought on an advertising guy. I was not giving my ad campaigns as much attention, and I was not optimizing things as much as I should have. So the second half, we were more efficient than the first half, which is why the numbers are so different. So this means my total expense out of pocket for 54,000 leads and 667 customers was somewhere between $1,200 and $5,100 for the year, which is remarkable. Now, the reason I brought on this ad guy is I want to scale this. Facebook ads are getting more expensive. We're doing more conversion rate optimization, and I want to get as many leads and customers as I can before Facebook does their ultimate nosedive that at some point is going to happen. So not bad, right? 55,000 leads or so for about, I don't know, 1,200 to $5,000. I think that's a pretty remarkable approach there. So let's jump in and actually draw out the funnel itself, or what I'm doing. So the first thing is obviously the Facebook ad itself. So let me get this over here. Sorry about that. So the Facebook ad I run is a long copy advertisement. Now, I've tested a lot of different types of ads, but the way the long copy advertisements work is they see about 3 lines and then it says more. And they can see the picture and whatnot. There's the picture down here and there's the lower headline, and then there's the button. So this is all they see. This area is hidden until they click more. When the user clicks more, it displays more text. And then there's another more. When they click that next one, it displays even more text and eventually gets down to my call to action, which is the URL, which I've signified with HTTP. So a lot of people are going to teach you that the best Facebook ads funnel to do is run a click over to your website and then retarget that individual. Now, I'm all for testing that. Feel free to test it. For me, this works better. And what I've done is I've moved that content. content onto Facebook because that user is on Facebook. That's where I met them. So I want to give them the opportunity to read the content. Now, all of this content from here to here is completely hidden when the user first finds it. So the user is required to engage 2 separate times just to get the whole story. So the only people who really see my URL are people who have engaged multiple times. So I'm just taking that engagement and that moment of them consuming some of our content, and I'm moving that onto the Facebook platform because I know the user is comfortable on the Facebook platform because that's where I'm meeting them with the ad. So then when they click on this, they go to a landing page. Now, the best performing landing page I've been running all last year has a headline up top, and then it has a really big image, and the image looks like it is a video. It's got a bright red play button in the middle of it, but it's not actually a video. And the headline mentions, so the sub headline below is where it reinforces to click the button below and get their thing. So there's a subhead here. So the headline delivers my offer of my free thing, and I give away an MP3. So it gives away the MP3 and it tells them the benefit they're going to get. Then it has a image that looks like a video. If they click on the image of the video, it does the exact same thing that it does when they click the button below. And what does it do? It delivers a pop-up. It's called a 2-step opt-in. And the pop-up covers the screen when they take that action. And the pop-up reinforces get the free thing. And then it has a space for them to hit their email, to add their email. And then it has a button. Now, I have taught how to build this out on WordPress in my DIY sales funnel video series. The link for this video series is going to be down below inside of the description. I also have a video where I go really in depth into all the psychology behind the different components within the high performing opt-in pages that my wife and I have. So I'll put that link also in the description below. So if you don't have a great opt-in page, the link is below in the description. And make sure you study this because there's a lot of psychology that goes in to make this work really well. We keep it simple. We offer them something. The button also does the same thing, the image. A lot of people click on the image thinking they're going to play a video, and then they get the pop-up to offer them the free thing. Once they opt in, they go to the next page, which is a sales letter. Now, it's a written sales letter, and up top, we have a pre-headline that says, request received. Your free item you just requested will be in your inbox in about 5 minutes. But right now, read below and learn how to boom. And then we offer the big benefit that our people are interested in. Then we have, so that's the pre-head. And then we have a big headline that offers a really big benefit I know our people want. And then we have a normal sales letter. And what we're doing here is we're offering 7 of our best items that add up to about $95 in value, roughly. And we're offering it to them for $27. And then there's a button. And then when they say yes here, they go to a checkout page. Now our checkout page, as I said, runs on Samcart. It's milesbeckler.com/Samcart. One of the really cool things that Samcart allows us to do and why I think it stands out against a lot of other carts is I can split test these. Now your checkout page is the page that brings you in money, right? Like if you are losing people here, you are killing your income. So running split tests, you want to make sure, can your shopping cart actually run split tests? If you're not running split tests on your shopping cart, you're just flat out missing out on transactions that could be coming through. So that's why I really like Samcart here. We've gotten this to convert quite well on very specific targeted traffic. It can convert upwards of like 50 or 60%, whereas I've had other carts down in the 8 to 12% range. That's literally like a 4x in revenue and customers because I just split tested my checkout page. After the checkout page, and this is also a functionality within Samcart itself, they go see a one-click upsell. So a one-click upsell leaves that transaction open. We use a video here. It just has a simple headline up top. The video plays, and they have a yes button, and they have a no thanks link. This offers our $297 course for it's $97. I know for a fact it's 97 bucks. So that's a really significant discount. It's the only time we ever offer it at this steep of a discount. And really, it's just for our most ambitious individuals. We're really trying to help our most ambitious individuals who are like, absolutely, they want this. Do they want our best certification course as well? This works really well. About 25% of people who check out here actually purchase that there. So it adds a lot to that lifetime value. And for a lot of people, as Facebook ads get more expensive, testing different one-click upsells are how you're going to be able to remain as a consistent advertiser as that ad cost goes up more. This is it. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, this is pretty much what I've been doing for a long time. I don't feel a need to change it because, as you saw, those numbers are solid, and my ad guy is making it even more efficient than when I was running it left to my own devices, being so busy with everything we have going on. One other thing that we're doing, and we're still kind of testing this is an ad here. So we're also sending ad to sales page, to checkout page. So we do this when we launch new kind of one-off products. We run just a super simple image ad also. And another thing we're trying and we're starting to test out is running our ad directly to the checkout page, where we take the text from the sales page and we move it onto the ad. Now, we've done this about 5 or 6 times. It's worked really well 2 times. It has fallen flat on its face 4 times. So I haven't taught this method yet, but what I'm working on is dialing this in a way I can teach it to you. So this is another thing that we're testing on the side, is add straight to sales page to checkout, and also advertisement with the sales copy in it going all the way directly to the checkout page right there. And that's it. That is what I'm doing. That is how well it's working for me. Let me grab this real quick here.